Hi there, Jason Neufeld from Elder Needs Law. You're at Florida Elder Law Attorney. I'm answering the question that was submitted to me. Is the community spouse always restricted to the community spouse resource allowance? Let's break that down. It's a great question. What is a community spouse? What is the community spouse resource allowance? So first of all, in Medicaid, when you have a married couple and only one of the spouses is sick and in need of Medicaid to help pay for home health care, ALF care, or skilled nursing facility care, and you have a healthier spouse, that healthier spouse who does not need Medicaid is referred to as the community spouse. So you have the Medicaid recipient and you have the community spouse. Medicaid says that when you have a married couple, they're not going to force both spouses into abject poverty. And so they allow the well spouse or the healthy spouse, the community spouse, to have what's known as the Community Spousal Resource Allowance, or the CSRA or the CSRA. The CSRA in 2022, the year 2022, is $137,400. $137,400. It goes up every January, so if you're watching this in years to come, that number will have changed. But currently, the Medicaid recipient or the Medicaid applicant can only have $2,000 in what Medicaid considers to be countable assets to their name, and the community spouse can have no more than $137,400. So if you are under that limit, right, if the well spouse has $100,000 to their name and the sick spouse has $2,000 to their name, then they pass the asset test. So now we have to look at how much income the Medicaid recipient receives. That's a different story altogether. But assuming they pass that test, if they are under these asset limits, then they will be qualified for Medicaid. So the question is the community spouse always limited to having no more than the CSRA? And luckily, the answer to that question is no. They have to have, they're limited to the CSRA essentially for the year that an application is submitted and when they are approved. So for when an application is submitted to the Department of Children and Families to see if someone is eligible for one of these Medicaid long-term care services, programs, they will go, okay, does the Medicaid applicant have less than $2,000 in countable resources? Check, good. Does the well spouse, the community spouse, have $137,400 or less in their own independent resources? If the answer is yes, then good, check, congratulations. If you pass all the other things that you need, you are eligible for Medicaid. After that point in time, Medicaid doesn't check in on what the community spouse is making, meaning they can take that money and if they want to invest it and grow it and turn it into significantly more money, that's fine, because when the Medicaid spouse is renewing their Medicaid application every year, they will no longer ask what the community spouse has in their possession or has what's available to them. So that's something that not a lot of people know. Very valuable information. We have a whole other video series and we can talk about it during a consultation as to what Medicaid considers to be countable and non-countable. That's very important as well. But generally speaking, is the community spouse always restricted to the CSRA or the Community Spouse Resource Allowance? The answer to that question is no. They only limited to the CSRA initially when they first submit that application until they get approved. I know that's a lot of information. If you like this video, please subscribe, please thumbs up, please share it. I'm trying to get good information out there to help educate Floridians. Certainly, if you have more questions about this, give us a call, set up a consultation. We're here to help. Thank you for watching.